There are nights when the planet sounds tired, like an old harmonica crying beside the sea. Cities glowing like restless fires, millions of souls away, but still feeling lonely. Children inherit storms they did not create, oceans swallowing prayers in silence, while men in tall buildings argue about ownership of land they cannot carry into death. Some hearts become stone from disappointment, others wear smiles like borrowed clothing, and many walk through crowds every day, begging quietly to be understood. The earth must ache sometimes, watching forests fall like forgotten ancestors, watching people trade compassion for status and applause, watching love become something measured in temporary attention. Yet somehow morning still arrives faithfully.